So I know we're going to Boise to do the pool shooting awareness video. What are you looking most forward to?
Man, I'm looking forward to just getting there, first of all, today, because we've been driving for about 8 hours and we still have an hour and a half left. And then I think the best day for me will probably be Saturday and Sunday when we're shooting most of the action scenes inside of the school. So that's going to be fun. But overall, I think when we're doing the interviews tomorrow, we're going to try to set up some nice scenes over there to make it look decent, because we're going to be working with a lot of constraints as far as location goes for that. So we have to spruce it up a little bit with some lighting.
I know that you're using a Steadicam, so you want to go over your rig a little bit?
Yeah, sure. So we'll be using a Steadicam system. One of them, the Tilta Float, which is its own best system, and then we're using a Steadicam rig, and we're using the Fuji XH2S systems on both.
I know that you're on audio, so I know that you're using the tentacles for time code. You want to go over those a little bit?
Yeah, so we're using the tentacles, the eSync, time code and purposes. Each camera will get a time code generator, the audio recorder will get a time code generator, and we got the lavalier mics by tentacle, so editing will be a breeze, especially adding all the cameras together on the same timeline.
And those sync with the clapper too, right?
Yes, yeah, so those go on the slate as well, so everything is in sync.
All right, awesome, thank you.
I've been working on this a lot of pre-production for past month, from booking the place, from going over all the scripts, making sure the team has what they need, renting equipment, making sure we brought all the equipment. It's a lot of pre-production work that I had to do. It's been a challenge.
How far? Oh, you're good. Oh, really?
Once they sit, then I can.
You have 30 minutes, so if it's not up to your liking.
The only thing I'm not liking is just that light on the wall.
Do you think maybe you should go ahead and just come down on the level instead of going straight at it? Do another cross.
I didn't see what the heck it does. Let's try it. It's not
Consistent. You can hear it with someone like, so that's time code. Are you able to get a good reading?
I'm not getting anything. Yeah, very good. I don't know, come up with please. Once he's done, you have to yell it though. Module 5, Rescue Task Forces interview. Take 1.
These training. So they're gonna charge you more because I'm bugging.
It's not snowing. This is all an illusion. This is VFX, to be honest with you. We have a really good editor, and he did all this VFX for us. He's not even here.
Set production.
Production value for sure.
We have our setup there.
Yeah, that's where we have the fake snow coming up from. Let me show you. Show that up top right there. See, that's where the fake snow is.
You can put the American flag next to the Idaho flag.
No, I'm gonna take the Idaho flag out.
I was gonna get that other diffusion frame, put it here, see if that.
Okay, let's see what it does. Yeah.
But I gotta grab it from the other room.
Okay. He doesn't want to.
Well, look at the.
We'll fix it. We can put a C-stamp here. Do you have any stamp?
Paramount for the safety of the responders, resources involved.
Sound speed.
Module 4, Unified Command, take 2.